When you download a theme, it comes in a zip format or in a RAW format or any format which it comes with, depending on where you're getting the theme from. I want to show you how you can simply know which of the file to upload when you download any theme. When you download a theme, it comes in a zip format or in a RAW format or any format which it comes with, depending on where you're getting the theme from. If it's a paid, first thing you need to do is to unzip it. To unzip it, that's the first thing you need to do. And there are different software which you can use to unzip any of these compressed file. You can get WinZip, you can get Wira, you can get even your window have it by default, or depending on your OS you're using. There are different ways to unzip. Just look for a way to zip. Get a free zip unzip software. There are several of them online. Look for 7zip or look for free unzipping software, or look for WinZip or Wira. Just use any of them. On my system, I have Wira. To unzip this file, I will just quickly right click on it, and you can see it here. Click here to extract. I'll just click on it and it will just extract. I've just clicked on it and it has extracted, and this is the folder, which the first file which I did there. On opening it, I can see I have a folder inside. Then I click on it again and I have this. This is the folder which I have. This is the file I need to upload as a theme. So what I would just need to do is simple. If assuming I did not unzip this first, I would not know that it has another folder inside, which is this. So if I try to upload it the way it is, I'm going to have an error. So what I would need to do is to open it. I can see I have this file here. So this is the one I'm going to zip back and upload back. So I'll just come here and zip this and zip it, and it must be in zip format. It mustn't be in any format. It has to be in zip format. As you can see, I have RAW format here, I have zip format. WordPress recognizes zip format, so use zip format. You can see the extension is .zip. If you use RAW, it will have .RAW. So what I will do is to use .zip because that's what WordPress will understand. I click on OK. As you can see, it is compressing it. Just finished compress. So this is what I'm going to upload to my theme. I'm going to upload as my theme and to work perfectly. So you can see I've extracted all this theme. I think which I've extracted. I will click on this particular one. You can see this particular one can go. It can work because there's no other file inside. These are the theme folder which will work. What I would just need to do is to just zip it from here, from outside. Let's check this. You can see this theme, I've extracted it, and this is what I have. The first layer, I have this, I have this, I have this, I have this. So assuming I did not unzip it, I try to upload it, I will have an error. So on clicking on this, you can see I have this inside here. This is the main theme. Come down here. This is another thing entirely, which will not go. Then these are the files, some other files like the Photoshop files, which I don't need to upload it. So if assuming I did not unzip it and I try to upload it the way it came, I will have an error message. But in this case, this particular theme, this is what I need to zip back, and I've just zipped it and I have it right here. So this is the one I'm going to upload. This zip file here is just this, which I've just zipped. So this is what you upload back to the server. When I mean server, I mean WordPress server. Let me take you to a theme which I downloaded from WP Locker. So let's see. This particular theme, Cloud Host, was downloaded from WP Locker. So I will just click on it. I've already extracted it. You can see this is what I have as the main file, the first one. You can see, assuming I uploaded it, I will have an error message. So these files are not necessary to be uploaded. So I will just move to this next one. Inside it, I see I have other files inside, which I have right here. I have extracted this particular file. I've extracted this particular file, and this is what I have here. So let's extract this particular one and see what we have inside that particular zip file. So I've just extracted this file and I have it here, and the contents of this is what I have. So what I actually need is this particular one, which is this, because these are the files I need. How do you identify a theme file? How do you identify it? You All theme will have these following files. First thing is the header file. All theme will have that. You can see this theme have header. It must have an index file. You can see it has an index file. Index file. It will have these two major files. If you check and you cannot find header, cannot find footer, no, that is not a WordPress theme. Because the WordPress theme, for it to work, it must have an index file, must have header, it must have footer for it to work the way it should work. The other files which are necessary, but just look for those three major files. If they're not there, that means that that file is not a WordPress theme. If I move back, you notice that this particular file do not have it here. So this is not the theme. So this is one I'm going to zip back. I'm going to zip this back, then upload it, which is this. This is what I'm going to upload to my WordPress server. So in a nutshell, what you need to do is simple, in a very simple step. First thing, anything you download, any format which you downloaded the stuff from, whether RAR, zip, or any format, first thing to do is to extract it. Extract it. When you extract, open the folder to locate which files you have inside. At this point, this is another example. You see, I have two zip files. I've just extracted them, and I have this and I have this. So how do I know which of them is the main theme folder? I click on this and say this is the main theme folder. How do I know? It has footer, it has index, it has header. Those three files, fantastic. When you see that, it means that theme means okay, is a theme. Then you come down, you come back where we have this second file. Let's check what is inside. I click on it. You can see I have other things inside, which is just a Photoshop file which I can edit. You will only see a Photoshop file when it comes to premium theme. When you come to paid free theme, you will not see all these files. The truth is this: free theme will just come with the theme. You might not need to extract it. But when it's a premium theme, it comes with other things, documentation, everything out together. So this is how to know which of the folder you need to zip back to upload to your server. In case you try uploading a theme and you're having error, this file is not a theme folder, give you different error. What you need to do is to simply extract it, check the folder and locate the particular theme folder, then zip it back and upload to the server. Thank you very much.